In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your website in Hostinger with Database, 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick reminder, deleting files and databases is permanent. If there's any chance you'll need the site again, download a backup in hPanel or through File Manager first. Also, make sure you're in the correct hosting plan and domain so you don't remove the wrong site. Start by going to hPanel. Sign into your hosting dashboard and open the main control panel for the hosting account that holds the website you want to remove. If you manage multiple domains, double check the domain indicator at the top so the changes you make apply to the right site. Open Files, then select File Manager. This is where all your website's files are stored. If you see a directory list begin in public HTML, for add-on domains or subdomains, you might see separate folders named after each domain. Go into the folder that matches the site you're deleting so you don't affect other projects. Navigate to your site's folder. You're looking for the root that contains files like index.php or index.html, and folders like wp-admin, wp-content, or similar if you're using a CMS. If certain items seem to be missing, enable the option to show hidden files so dot files such as port-htaccess are visible. Hidden files often contain important rules and should be included in the deletion. Select all files. Use the Select All option at the top or select the checkbox for the entire directory. Pause here and visually confirm you're in the correct domain folder, especially if your hosting plan contains multiple sites. Click Delete and confirm the prompt. If there's an option to skip trash or delete permanently, use it only when you're absolutely sure. Larger sites can take a moment to process. Once done, your website's code, media, and configuration files are removed. Back in hPanel, go to Databases. Removing the database ensures no leftover content, users, or settings remain on the server. Under MySQL databases, find the database used by your site. If you're not certain which database it is, check your site's configuration file in File Manager before deleting. On WordPress, that's wp-config.php, then match the database name here. Confirming this avoids taking down a different site that shares the same account. Click Delete on the correct database and confirm. This wipes all tables and content. If the database user is dedicated to this site only, you can remove that user afterward for tidiness. That's it. Your site's files and database are gone from Hostinger. If you visit the domain now, you may see a default page, cache, or an error until you upload new content or point DNS elsewhere. Keep backups safe, and when you're ready, you can deploy a fresh site right from hPanel.